Here is how to change invoice currency in Wave, step by step. Start by opening Wave and going to Sales and Payments, then choose Invoices. This takes you to the area where your existing invoices are listed. From here, find the invoice you want to update. If you have several invoices on the screen, take a moment to confirm you are selecting the right one before making any changes. Once you have located the invoice, open the Actions drop-down for that invoice and select Edit. Wave will open the invoice so you can make changes directly. You are now on the invoice editing screen, where the line items, totals, and invoice details can be adjusted. Scroll down until you reach the total section. This is the part of the invoice where Wave shows the final amount and the currency currently assigned to that invoice. Next to the total, you will see a currency drop-down. Click that drop-down to view the available currency options for the invoice. Select the currency you want to use. As soon as you choose a different currency, Wave updates the invoice to use that selection. One detail to watch closely here is that Wave does not automatically convert the invoice amount when you switch currencies. The number shown on the invoice stays the same, even though the currency label has changed. That means if your invoice total was entered in one currency and you are switching to another, you may need to review the amounts on the invoice. Look back at the item prices and confirm whether those values still match what you want to charge in the new currency. If they do not, manually adjust the item prices so the invoice reflects the correct amounts for that currency. Take your time with this part, especially if the invoice includes more than one line item. Since Wave keeps the numerical values unchanged during the currency switch, any needed pricing update has to be done by hand on the invoice itself. This helps avoid sending an invoice that shows the correct currency but the wrong amount. After you have selected the new currency and made any necessary changes to the item prices, click Save and Continue. This saves the updated invoice settings and keeps your changes in place. If you need to review the invoice again after saving, you can check the total section to confirm the new currency is now applied and that the item prices match the amount you intend to bill. The invoice currency in Wave is now updated and saved with the amounts you set.